Welcome to the Crypto Boss Ninja channel. Let's look at Bitcoin dominance. I don't think I've ever made a video about it, but I do want to talk about it because when Bitcoin dominance is high, it means a lot of people are buying Bitcoin. When Bitcoin dominance is falling, that means people are selling their Bitcoin or they're buying altcoins, more altcoins than Bitcoin. So really in bull runs, you want Bitcoin dominance to be high, but then when you want an altcoin rally, to start the bull run, you need Bitcoin to go up. Because if Bitcoin doesn't go up, the overall market really won't, unless it's a complete shit coin. So you want Bitcoin dominance to really go higher in the bull runs, and then maybe you need consolidation. So then you want to see a consolidation like this, and when you see consolidation like this means people are selling their Bitcoin and buying altcoins, and that's why you see little altcoin rallies in the middle of a bull run. This is a falling wedge right now. It's not the most beautiful falling wedge on Bitcoin, or on Bitcoin dominance, but it is a falling wedge. You take your measure move from the top to the last low, and you can get your measure move out of this falling wedge. So if you are going to start making the move to the upside, which it looks like you're trying to do, it looked sketchy for a while. Your measure move would take you up to 2560. Now, the fact of the matter is the daily chart's already overbought, making a lower high, so you could see this just roll over again and more money would go into alts, which is okay, but 3-day chart is ready to rock, though. Daily chart might make I don't know. Let's see if the daily can make a higher low now. The weekly time frame is also making a higher low. This chart tells me, based on the higher time frames, the daily doesn't look great, but the 3-day and the weekly time frame for Bitcoin dominance really tells me that short term, because of the dailies overbought, you could see a little bit more of a dump, and altcoins might have a rally over the next few days and maybe over the next week. But sometime later in the month of we're in November, sometime in early December, I really would expect, based on the 3-day and weekly chart for Bitcoin dominance, for the Bitcoin to really be bought up, and a huge move on Bitcoin looks like it's incoming, meaning a lot of alts could go sideways or bleed out while people do that. And then although Bitcoin goes to 40K, the entire market will probably pump. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin dominance. The 4-hour chart is also in a falling wedge. You could say, yeah, that's definitely a falling wedge. That's a more beautiful falling wedge than what we just looked at on the higher time frames. So Bitcoin dominance to me looks like it wants to boom, and if Bitcoin dominance goes up, usually Bitcoin is going to move to the upside. 4-hour chart looks beautiful for a move to 2220. With that being said, guys, that's all I got. I'm looking for Bitcoin to make a move to the upside later this month into December, and really my measure move is 41.3 on the daily time frame for Bitcoin. If you guys enjoyed this update, appreciate it if you hit the like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys